Some people are so poor, all they have is money. The price we pay for letting the wrong people close is enough reason to be more selective about who gets access to our lives. A person becomes 10 times attractive, not by their looks, but by their acts of kindness, love, respect, honesty, and loyalty they show. The worst place in the world is a home without peace. Be careful with whom you marry and fall in love with. When you grow up, you realize you don't want to be crazy in love. You want to be calm in love, stable in love, patient in love, understood in love. You want to be safe in love. There is a fine line between wanting to say everything and knowing that it's better not to say anything. Control your laziness, and you'll realize how much success you've been avoiding. Everything wants you when you want nothing. You can't heal in the same environment that made you sick. Somewhere, someone is searching for you in every person they meet. You suffer more in imagination than in reality. One day, you'll realize that no one was really watching, and you could have done whatever you truly wanted. Everyone needs 3 friends, one to laugh with, one to cry with, and one to grow with. If you find all 3 in one person, you've found your best friend. Not all hurt people hurt people. Some spend their lives making sure no one else feels what they did. Some break cycles, some build safe spaces. They turn pain into purpose. Hurt people heal people too. If you don't heal what hurts you, you'll bleed on people who didn't cut you. We don't see things as they are, we see them as we are. Some people won't understand your words, while some people don't need words to understand you. Not all storms come to disturb your life. Some comes to clear your path. It's crazy how social media convinced us that 15 likes isn't enough. Imagine 15 people telling you in real life that you're looking good. Don't listen to every elder's advice. Even fools grow old. Honor age, but prioritize wisdom. May you find the courage to disappoint people who expect you to stay small. Your ability to grow is directly related to how much truth you can handle about yourself without trying to escape it. The fastest way to kill something special is to compare it with something else. When you realize that, routines are actually rituals of devotion to yourself and your dreams, they're much easier to follow. Your thoughts aren't facts, they're visitors. You don't have to believe every visitor that shows up. We went too far in our thinking and forgot that destinies are written. The happiest people are not searching big houses or fancy cars. They are building tiny businesses that let them work 3 to 4 hours a day and spend the rest of their time actually living a life. Pain passes through until someone is ready to feel it. You can't control someone who knows how to be alone. They don't need you. They choose you. That's power. In the wrong place even, if you give your best, it'll never be enough. But in the right place, your mere presence will be celebrated. Somebody is mad at you right now because you picked peace over drama and distance over disrespect. Sometimes the kindest thing you can do for yourself is to stop forcing things that aren't clearly working. Growth happens when people are encouraged, not made smaller. Be the environment you wish you had. That's real gain. and I would argue when I'm mad. But when I'm hurt deeply, I chose to walk away silently. You have power over your mind. Realize this, and you'll find strength. We all love ourselves more than other people, but care more about their opinion than our own. The things you think about determines the quality of your mind. Everything we hear is an opinion, not a fact. Everything we see is a perspective, not the truth. Death smiles at us. All we can do is smile back. No man was ever wise by chance. While we wait to live life, life passes. It's not about what happens to you, but how you react that matters.